The most remarkable event of the transatlantic slave trade occurred in 1789, when an Igbo slave, Olaudah Equiano, published his autobiography, The Interesting Narrative of the Life of Olaudah Equiano. It was the first book that provided first-hand insight into the terrors and the inhumane transactions of slave trade, with a brutal and destructive impact on individuals and societies. The book became a bestseller, which shaped public opinion against slavery in Britain. Olaudah Equiano, through personal transformation, converted to Christianity, educated himself, bought his freedom, and became a leading voice in the British abolitionist movement. The work of this Nwaafọ Igbo, who hated slavery but endured it, significantly contributed to the passage of the Abolition of the Slave Trade Act in 1807. At the end, the Igbo defeated slavery.